Hi, my name is Mark Sarkett and I work at DriveWorks over in the UK. We're very happy to have worked closely with Ketan and his team at Hi-Tech. I was surprised to learn about all of the different services that Hi-Tech provides. Obviously we're looking primarily on the CAD side, but it was very impressive to see all of the different areas of the business. So yeah, just a massive thank you to Hi-Tech for being so welcoming and making our trip to India very easy.
Let me just explain you one of the projects that we've done. So this is a project of a storage tank, and once you hit the create button, we have three different options: cylindrical, oblong, and rectangular. You can select any one of them. It'll show you the description what you have selected, and then you can hit next for the tank parameters. Now in the tank parameters, we have options for selection of volume, whether in liters or gallons or whatever you might want to prefer. And once that is selected, it'll show you the tank length, the diameter, and the platform length. All the calculations are done on the back end. After that, you have the further selections for the manhole covers or the ladders or the top platform, whether you want it or not. You select them and then you can select the quantity. The quantity is actually going to be updated in the drawing. Once you select next, you can enter the client details. For the client details, you have the company name and the contact name. You can either select it from a pre-populated drop-down that you have in your client database, or you can enter a new client. If the name is not there in the drop-down, you can hit the new button and then enter all the client details. Then next, select the delivery date, and at the bottom you can see the entire summary of what you've selected, the volume or the features. With the summary, you also have the price, so there's a quotation. So the quotation is basically done on the fly. So while you're filling out the form, in the end you'll have a price quote ready for you. After you're done with everything, just hit the release button and that's it. Within a couple of minutes, you'll have the 3D drawings, you have the models, everything there for you.